How to transfer money using Capitec app. In today's video, we're going to show you how to transfer money using the Capitec app. First things first, open the Capitec app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and simply search for Capitec Bank and download it. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now look for the transfers option, which is usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to start your money transfer. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type of transfer. You'll have several options here, like transfer to Capitec, transfer to other banks, send via instant money. Choose the option that best fits your needs. After that, you'll need to enter the recipient's account number or select from your saved contacts if you've sent money to them before. Simply tap on the recipient's name or enter their account number manually. Now input the amount you want to send. You can also add a reference for the payment, which is optional but helpful for both you and the recipient. Once you've added the amount and reference, tap on Next. Before completing the transfer, double check all the details. Make sure the recipient's name, account number, and transfer amount are correct. Once you're sure everything looks good, tap on Confirm. And to ensure security, the Capitec app will ask you to authenticate the transaction. You can either enter your PIN or use biometric authentication if you've set it up. After authenticating, the money will be transferred. See how easy that was? Now you know how to transfer money using the Capitec app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.